Lucknow, the capital city of Uttar Pradesh, is historically famous for its Nawabi tehzeeb and culture. Similarly, it is also famous for its cottage industry of chicken embroidery, traditional kite making, tobacco and handicrafts. The city is rapidly developing with significant growth in infrastructure, retail, service industry and information technology. The meandering Gomati River in Lucknow is revered, being the main source of water for the city and surrounding villages. But over the years, it has suffered due to polluting discharges from the urban runoff, industrial effluents and untreated sewage. It is imperative that Gomati is made nirmal and the surroundings are made livable. The project we were involved in has completed the channelization of 8.5 kilometer stretch of river between Harding Bridge to Gomati Weir. However, only 1.5 kilometer stretch is developed as recreation zone for residents and tourists. The remaining 7 kilometer length has immense possibilities to make Gomati Riverfront as an ideal model of riverfront development. We propose to develop the remaining 7 kilometer riverfront from the Harding Bridge to Gomati Weir on 3 themes. The heritage zone between Harding Bridge to Hanuman Setu will consist of Heritage Convention Center and Museum, various important structures and ghats such as Hindu temples, ancient ritual structure at Kalakoti, hundreds of years old Hanuman Mandir, which was frequently visited by former Prime Minister, late Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji, the sacred Kudiya Ghat, which is named after Rishi Kaundinya. All will be refurbished as they showcase our culture and traditions. Walks meandering through the heritage structures of Lucknow, such as Rumi Darwaza, Ghanta Ghar, Bhul Bhulaiya, Imamwada, etc., along with traditional handicraft exhibitions would be planned. The lifestyle zone from Hanuman Setu to Nishantganj Bridge will showcase Lucknow huts, lifestyle parks with landscapes, pedestrian walks, jogging track. There can also be a theme park with toy trains, cable cars, Lucknow Eye, waterfront activities like boat clubs, water sports, etc. There will be drive-in theatre, amphitheatre, food courts and restaurants, and light and sound water show. The environmental zone between Nishantganj Bridge to Gomati Weir will host children's garden, botanical gardens, horticulture and wet parks, and trails through the botanical garden. In addition, there will be a playground for cricket, football and other sports. The channelization and rubber dam has opened up about 150 hectares of land for development. Government, by infusing additional funds in the existing riverfront project, can develop infrastructure for long-term lease, which will be an ideal revenue model for a smart and self-sustainable ecosystem for commercial and residential zones over this land. Increased water due to rubber dam can facilitate cargo movement by waterways from national highway to interior parts that will alleviate the congestion on city roads. The sewage water is diverted through a newly constructed trunk drain, which will make river water clean and usable. Since May 2016, when the name of Lucknow figured on the list of smart cities, all the stakeholders are working on the mantra to transform the city from an art to a smart city. In fact, Gomati Riverfront development should have started from downstream of Gomati Weir, where a modern smart city on green field could be built. Connectivity of Janeshwar Mishra Park with Gomati Riverfront will be an added advantage for the project. The entire new development of riverfront will give the government tremendous opportunity for revenue generation, as more than 900 hectares of land will be available for commercialization. Thus, we propose the development of the riverfront from Gomati to Indira Canal Aqueduct, a span of 17 kilometers, to shape up a greenfield smart city which will host business parks, real estate hub and recreational zones. The whole exercise will be a major initiative in creating long-term employment opportunity for residents by way of tourism, maintenance of infrastructure and new commercial avenues arising out of development of smart city.